You ever wake up one day, look in the mirror, and think, wow, my 20s are literally flying past me and I don't even know what I'm doing? Yeah, me too. And the scary part is, most of us don't even realize we're wasting these years until something snaps. A bad grade, a breakup, a failed job interview, or that quiet Sunday night feeling.
Most people scroll past these simple stick figure videos, but did you know some of them quietly pull in millions of views and thousands of dollars a month? And the craziest part, they're not made by studios, expensive teams, or animation experts. Just regular creators following a smart system, and today, I'm showing you exactly how I make them using only AI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick profitable ideas, build a faceless brand, create visuals, fast script and voice over your videos, make thumbnails that actually get clicks, and turn all of this into a repeatable system you can scale. If this sounds useful, hit that subscribe button. I drop deep YouTube strategies like this all the time on ManBesideAi. There's a niche quietly exploding on YouTube, self-improvement videos with simple stick figure visuals. It works because it connects with young people who want clarity, productivity, and life hacks, and the content is direct, simple, and easy to digest. Here's the key. It's not about fancy animations. It's about delivering the message clearly. Tip from my mistakes. When I first started, I overcomplicated visuals. Hours went into unnecessary detail. The reality? Simplicity wins. Stick figures plus clear messaging equals viral potential. Before making a video, I always study top performing channels. Which topics get the most engagement? Which messages resonate? How long are the videos? Once you understand it, it becomes easier than you think. Alright, let's break down how they do it. Step 1. Build your channel identity. First things first, you need a channel name. Go to the prompt doc, copy the channel name prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Got names like Quiet Mastery, Minimal Momentum, Aimline. Pick something short and easy to remember. For this example, I went with Daily Arc. Now that you have your name, let's design your channel identity. Head back to the prompt doc, copy the profile picture prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, enter your channel name, and generate the concept. Do the same with the banner prompt. Once both concepts are ready, go over to Whisk. Paste the profile picture prompt, generate, choose the best, download. Paste the banner prompt, generate, download, done. Step 2. Choose a viral topic. Never create videos based on random inspiration. That's how beginners burn out. Study successful competitors. Copy 5 to 10 of their high-performing titles. Paste them into ChatGPT using a video idea generator prompt. Boom, it gives you fresh concepts based on what's already working. Pick one, keep it tight. Step 3. Script the video. Copy your scripting prompt, paste, enter your video idea. ChatGPT will give a structured script, but here's where most people lose views. They don't rewrite it. You must rewrite parts of it to sound human. Your tone, your personality, your examples. Realness is what makes viewers stay. Step 4. Generate image prompts. Take script provided in the Google Doc, paste it into your image prompt formula. ChatGPT will break it into scenes and give every prompt you need. Save them. I also add a visual variation prompt for 2 to 3 alternate versions. This helps test which style performs better on YouTube. Step 5. Create the visuals. Open Whisk. Paste your first prompt. Choose your favorite image. This becomes your base style. Then click that image. Paste your second prompt. Whisk will match the character style automatically. Repeat for all scenes. This is how you keep your visuals consistent. Step 6. Record the voiceover. Open 11 Labs. Choose a voice similar to your competitors. Calm, clear, confident. You can go to the Explore option and search for it. For me, I pick a warm young male, confident, clear, calm. Paste your script on 11 Labs. Generate, download. Make sure it's clean. No weird pauses. Step 7. Edit the full video. I use CapCut. Drop in the voiceover, trim pauses, add images scene by scene, include subtle sound effects, clicks, typing, soft background music at -9 to -12 decibels, simple fade in, fade out transitions. New sub-step, I always preview the first 10 seconds to make sure the hook lands. Early retention equals viral potential. Step 8. Create the thumbnail. Now go find a competitor thumbnail similar to your topic and upload it into a thumbnail analysis tool, JSON GPT or similar. It will tell you color psychology, layout patterns, text placement, object focus. Paste this breakdown into ChatGPT along with your earlier thumbnail idea. ChatGPT will upgrade the concept into something high CTR. Copy the final prompt, paste and whisk, generate, download. Your first video will feel like work, your second will feel easier. By the 10th one, you'll wonder why you didn't start this earlier. YouTube isn't about chasing one big viral hit, it's about building systems that stack over time. The example video is about to play. Thanks for being here, and make sure to subscribe to ManBesideAi so you never miss a breakdown that could change your entire YouTube journey.
You ever wake up one day, look in the mirror, and think, wow, my 20s are literally flying past me and I don't even know what I'm doing? Yeah, me too. And the scary part is, most of us don't even realize we're wasting these years until something snaps. A bad grade, a breakup, a failed job interview, or that quiet Sunday night feeling of I should be further than this. This video isn't here to stress you out. It's here to save you time, because your 20s can either become the decade where you accidentally drift, or the decade where you build the foundation for the life you actually want.